Today is day one. So when it comes to drawing, a lot of people like to, including myself, try to start drawing the most crazy things possible. And, we get real excited and we want to draw these pretty, awesome, cool, cute, beautiful, whatever the thing you're learning to draw for. We try to jump into that immediately. But beneath all that experience that you've probably seen from someone else came the basics. Basics are boring. All right. Let's not lie. The basics are boring, but just like your favorite game, the software that I'm using right now, your phone in your hand, you're watching this on YouTube. Behind all this complex UIs and all that is the skeleton, which is coding. And guess what? A lot of people find coding boring. Basics begin with lines and simple shapes. Those are the basics. All right. So if you have a pencil and paper, go ahead and start drawing lines. It's okay if they don't come out as good, but go ahead and draw lines until you cannot draw lines anymore. Y'all know about the parallel lines, not necessarily parallel, but intersecting. These are the type of lines you wanna learn. You wanna just have fun with it, bro. Always have fun with it. Once you start to not have fun, take a break, take a breather, go ahead, rest, and just do something else that you like. Maybe playing some games, maybe doing something like that. Listen, I'm super calm right now, but in the future, we may have moments where we're like, oh gosh, what's going on with Shadow? But hey, it's a process. Art can be frustrating, but it can also be very, very peaceful. So you just trying to hit as much of it as possible, because I don't want to make this whole video just, lines. you know. Well, pretty much this whole video will be lines, but we're about to enter some shapes too. All right. All right. So that was lines, okay? So now we're gonna move on to, you probably guessed it, shapes. All right. So y'all know shapes, circles, sorry, circles, squares, triangles, ovals, rectangles, heck, I don't know, even this is a shape. You know? So, but the main things you're gonna use a lot in art are circles, squares, and triangles. Some ovals, some rectangles, but a lot of circles, a lot of squares. A lot of times when you're gonna be breaking them up, like if you're breaking a piece up, like for example, let's say, okay, I was drawing this house, that's the door. Oh gosh, that's our 6-foot window. We have another window up here. This is a shape, this is a shape, this is a shape, that's a shape, this is a shape, this is a shape, this is a shape, this is a shape. This whole thing consists of shapes. And another thing you want to also get good at is looking at something. Let's say we had a cellular device right here. I don't know, maybe like a little speaker at the top or something. This is the screen, and then you have like a circle. These consist of shapes. All right. So we want to also get shapes down. All right. Again, this first week, man, it's going to be really simple. Really simple. Let those errors shine. You don't want to have too many of them, but you know. And again, like if you're also doing digital art and you're just learning, you could use stuff like the liquify tool and like make things, you know, but again, we're not trying to cheat ourselves. Just because we can do it don't mean we need to do it. Maybe like if I was like short on time or something, and you know, but for this right here, we're the learning purposes, we're just trying to learn how to draw from scratch. Simple. All right, so let's move on to some squares. I like this, like that. Again, you don't want to necessarily worry about how pretty or ugly it is. You can always come back and fix it. You feel me? You can always come back, fix it, fill in somewhere, make it more how you think it should look. And let's get kind of crazy. Make some big ones. Make some at an angle. Okay, I kind of got carried away with the squares. But yeah, now we're moving on to triangles, guys. Now, triangles, they're triangles. So the only thing about triangles is that there's so many ways you can draw a triangle. Like this, like this. There's just so many ways. There's so many ways you could do like a triangle that's like equal on all sides. It's probably not, but get the gist of it. So yeah, there's just so many ways you can do triangles. Yeah. One of these, you know, we do the reverse. See, I gotta get the line. See, well, lines are important. Triangle consists of lines. See, so triangles it just, you know, triangles are triangles. Ovals. That's a weird looking oval, I know. Ovals are like these long circles, pretty much. Just think of a circle and then stretching it. You ever had a lightsaber and then you like maybe squeeze it like that? Now, let's move on to rectangles. Rectangles consist of multiple rectangles or multiple. Okay, now some of these don't look like it, but a rectangle can consist of multiple squares. And if you just like this, and let's say I don't know, erased that, and I erase these lines, guess what? You have a very long rectangle. or they can consist of multiple rectangles, just like that, which are broken up by line. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. I got you guys. All right. So then we have like these shapes here. All right. Basically, these. I hate these. These here, you know, you could have one that's like a little shorter, maybe looks more like a diamond. But if you kind of look at it, it's almost like a rectangle in perspective, you know? And that's going both ways. It's almost like a rectangle going in perspective. What is this called? A parallelogram. I'm blind. I'm looking at this on my phone. While also trying to like show you guys. So yeah, go ahead. Draw a few of those. Just get those burned in your memory. You want to learn all the shapes, right? What we want to do? Just like throw those in half and stuff, man. They're like legit. Like if you cut these up, these are all just shapes, triangles. That's triangles. Same here. Triangle. So you know, shapes consist of shapes. That's why it's important to learn the basics of shapes and whatnot. I think today was a good day. This is day 1, and day 2 will be coming soon at some point. I gotta also edit these videos, so that's nice. So yeah, guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed that. Be free to like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel from a ghost channel right now and get some exposure. So yeah, a like goes a long way. Subscribing also goes a long way. By the way, it's free. I know, you know, you subscribe these days, you're paying money, but subscribing to the channel is free. It just helps the algorithm show other beginners like, hey, this guy is doing this and that and whatever. All right, that's it. I'm gonna go catch the game because it is already started, and yeah.